Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing hardware and making the first connection. You must confirm the PC has an Ethernet, RJ45 port, and choose a Cat5e or Cat6 cable for stable speeds. Once the modem and router are powered, plug one end into a router LAN port and the other into the PC Ethernet jack. You should feel a click. Make sure LED activity lights on the port illuminate. That indicates physical link. If no lights, try a different port or cable immediately. Once the cable link is established, focus on IP configuration so traffic flows. You open network settings and inspect the Ethernet adapter. Default DHCP typically works, so set IP4 to obtain IP and DNS automatically to let the router assign addresses. If you need a fixed address, enter the correct static IP, gateway, and subnet to match your LAN. After that, verify link speed and DNS resolution. If Wi-Fi remains active, disable it to prevent routing conflicts and make sure Ethernet becomes the primary route. You finish by validating connectivity and addressing common failures. Begin with a ping to 8 or open a website. Success proves outbound routing and DNS. If it fails, check ipconfig or ifconfig for assigned IP, gateway, and DNS entries, renew the lease or set proper static values. Make sure the gateway responds by pinging it first. If issues persist, restart modem/router, swap cables or ports, and reboot the PC. That sequence eliminates 90% of problems. Only then escalate to ISP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.